All right, everybody, this is Tom again at Apex Builders Group. We're here at the new service station job site. We've got a pile of dirt here. It's going to be staying right there for now, and I want to give you a heads up. We got the first tank installed correctly in the right location. That was about 35 minutes, so nobody's going to get fired. Half hour loss of production. It's within tolerance. Okay, you can see our elevator ladder, our ladders. The lift points are what are called where you attach the lifting cable from the crane onto anything that you're lifting, whether it be a concrete panel for a tilt-up warehouse, lift points on a piece of equipment like a bobcat or a tracked hoe, or anything that you're lifting. It needs to have a secure location for that strap to bolt with that clevis, which is a bolt through U-shaped type of attachment, which is sewn into the strap, which is the sewing on a strap where it sews together after it goes through the loop. It's extremely tensile tested for a rated pounds. Usually 24,000 is the minimum that we like to use. 32,000 is common for heavy things. That's each strap, and we have 4 of them. So the lift points, which they are called, where the clevis bolts through, that's called a lift point. Very important terminology to know what that means. And as you can see, the tank is in its right location, the right hand side. The inlet is facing up, not on the side, so we're all good there. And we have our state inspector inspecting, because protocol means that there's inspection overlap, so nothing is done irregularly or non-professionally or incorrectly. So this is a small segment. We're waiting for the next tank to be fastened, and we'll get back to you again. Thumbs up, subscribe. This is a YouTube channel, Apex Builders Group. Tom signing out.